type of activities, the type of activities is shapes, guessing, game. It is under cognitive development. She is 2 years old toddler. She is gaming. She is gaming. She is only child. Her parents are both working. No disabilities. She is enjoying the activities and outgoing. She is sweet, cute, and adorable. And she is curious and enthusiastic. She is passionate at the shape and colors. The materials needed is shape plus Hi, Amber. Ako pala sa atin, Joanne. Ako muna ngayon ang mag-aalaga sa'yo kasi wala si Mami si Daddy. Ano yan? Ano yan nilalaro mo? Ano yan, be? Gusto mo turuan kita? Yan yung mga shape. Ito ay heart. Ikaw nga. Heart. Okay. Ito naman, flower. Ikaw nga. Flower. Okay. Ito, circle. Ikaw nga, be? Circle. Ito, square. Ikaw nga, be? Square. Okay. Ito naman, triangle. Ikaw nga, be? Triangle. Okay. Sa Tagalog, tatsulog. Ikaw nga, be? Tatsulog. Okay, very good. Ito naman, sa Tagalog, parisukat. Ikaw nga, be? Parisukat. Okay. Ito naman, bulaklak. Bulaklak. Okay, very good. Ito naman, bilog. Ikaw nga, bebe? Bilog. Okay. Ito naman, puso. Ikaw nga, puso. Okay. Pala, baby, gusto mo mag-snack?